Because you know, doors close 30 seconds before departure and all that. Better to be safe than sorry.
Port's right into the southeastern.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to South Coast Level Crossings. From the view.
What's that?
It's the window closing upstairs.
Oh, right.
Closing that one.
Ding, ding, ding. I like how you can hear the relay. Click.
Yeah. Yep.
Click.
Click. Click. Ding. Click. Ding. Click. Ding. Click. Ding. Click. Ding.
Yeah.
Almost. It's amazing. You see no problem issues today.
Yeah, I know, right? It's because you did.
Oh.
Yeah,
my fault.
Yeah.
But if you look at the arrow that goes down, that's on a spring.
Yeah.
I thought it was like there was a hole in the ground that it went into.
It does, but it also bounces on it.
You can have a look if you want. There's no cars there.
Well, they're not going to go anywhere, are they?
No. It's not for all.
If you bob the barrier, you can feel it.
Push it down.
Yeah, there's a hole where it's all into the road surface.
If you push it, it'll bounce.
Once you start, you can't stop.
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding.
I broke the level crossing.
Everything's broken. What's this thing?
Cross country. No, Southern, sorry.
So you've got the Northern service to Southampton Central.
I don't think so. Southern service to Brighton by Eastleigh.
Brighton by Eastleigh.
Yeah. Like 2 a day, I think.
It's like a parliamentary service, isn't it?
Brighton by Eastleigh. Really?
It's the Southern Ghost train.
I mean, it runs twice a day, but it's not really a parliamentary because it doesn't need.
What do you mean by parliamentary?
Ghost trains. So the Chiltern Railways one that went to Paddington in London, or the New Haven Marine one.
You said it does.
I don't know.
It only runs as an ECS,
Yeah.
and you can't really access the station because it's all cordoned off for some reason.
When we went down there, we got shouted at by the signal man.
But
Oh,
signal
dear.
man. Oh
Yeah.
dear.
Got to go down there.
Let Jeff Marshall down.
Jeff Marshall.
He's been down there 3 times.
No, Vicky did the video.
Well, yeah, but he's filming it.
Is this going to be the shortest video of today?
What else is
Oh no, maybe not then.
there? Oh no, the Salisbury train.
Oh yes, because
Got
it's
up
half
now.
past now.
Yes, and it's on time.
That means we also should have the South Western Railway service from Portsmouth and Southsea.
Yeah, and a Weymouth train. Well, from Weymouth to Waterloo.
And then shortly after that, we've got the Romsey train as well.
Yeah. Oh, we might have time for that.
Hey, I only got time for that.
Brave walking around with that round your neck, miss.
Hello
Sorry.
there.
Brave walking about with that round your neck,
Yeah.
especially this neck of the woods.
Hello, good afternoon.
Oh, you would?
I'm fine, how are you doing?
Good one. Knackered. What are you doing? Taking pictures of the trains?
Yes.
Pretty much.
Over floats your boat, I suppose?
Indeed.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness me. So we've got the service from Romsey to Salisbury, Portsmouth to Southampton,
And
London to Weymouth,
Weymouth.
Weymouth to London, and then Romsey to Salisbury, or
Salisbury to Romsey.
Salisbury to Romsey, and
Maybe as well.
Why does this crossing exist?
Yeah.
In the days of manual approach crossing, so this is all like wooden gates.
yeah, the signal
I
barrels
think I
are
have a
running
picture of
back
that.
and forth.
I think I have a picture of that.
They're running back and forth.
He literally would be, wouldn't he? He just shut the gates. Oh, there's another train.
Now open the gates again.
They've never opened.
Ah, it's there it is.
This is a big train.
Absolutely massive. The entire 2 coaches long. And we've got another plane there as well.
Yeah, but that's very
So we've got which I don't play because we've been here 6 minutes now. 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
not looking good, is it?
No.
32 minutes into the hour and it's only been on 6.
Yeah, that is a correct way of saying it. Yep. 32 minutes into the hour and it's only been up 6 minutes. Amazing. Oh, but, I think we'll be lucky if we get to 10. 10 minutes up. For the Portsmouth train. Oh, there he is. Hello again. So we've got a 450 555 there. We've got
That's the Weymouth been?
Not yet, no.
Yes, it's here now. I'm not sure if it's gonna. We've got 2 minutes until the Romsey by Eastleigh leaves.
Okay. Yes, that leaves at 35 from Southampton,
Yeah,
doesn't
so
it?
in 2 minutes. I think it'll go up.
Oh, no, he's going backwards.
Yeah, it's probably going to go up. Yeah, it's going to go up.
Triple
It's
full
going to go up.
Can't wait to find up this to go down now. There you go.
It actually will. Oh, I'm not sure about that. I
Okay.
think he has 5.
Thank you for watching, and we shall see you in the next video.